Alright, so today I'm going to be installing a spring. I'm only going to do one side just to show you how it's done. But I'm going to be installing a spring with the isolator on top. And these are 1.5 inch lowering springs. This is a 1986 convertible Mustang, and these are hardtop springs. So I'm sure many of you guys who are watching this video right now are like, convertible or hardtop springs? Doesn't matter. Me personally, I can't give you that answer. I don't know. But I will say that these are hardtop springs and they are going into a convertible. So, this is how I'm going to do it without a spring compression tool. Because every tool that I've used on this thing does not work. It's a pain in the ass. I'm putting on my isolator on top of the spring. I'm just going to slide the spring into its perch up top. And now you see down here, there's obviously, you want to get this aligned, the end of the spring here, aligned with the hole in the bottom of the A-arm. There's a special cutout, a dimple for it, so it sits in there and it doesn't move. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to come in here. I have a big pry bar. I'm going to come in here under the spring, and I'm going to just begin to wedge it into place. And as I do this, I'm going to try to lift up the bottom spring. Make sure it's better aligned. Okay, and now I'm compressing it, and I'm just going to take a hammer, and I'm going to seat the far coil into the back of the A-arm towards the engine, and it'll stay there. Now, all I do is I take my jack, and I'm going to hoist it up from the very edge of the A-arm. I like to stand back as I do this just because I don't trust springs, nor do I trust myself in my ridiculous shortcuts. So I'm just going to stand over here while you guys stand over there. Don't hurt yourselves. And so far it looks like everything is in alignment. Spring, I mean. So, yeah, there we go. That's what we want to hear. Alright guys, so that's just installing a spring on a Mustang on a Foxbody without a special tool. All I used was a big crowbar and a plastic dead blow hammer and my jack. Alright, so I hope this helps some of you guys out there, and if you like the video, give me a shout. Let me know. Alright, I'd like to hear from you guys. Bye.